Expert Village, and we've just strung our head pin with our crystals and our cross beads, and now what we're going to do is, it's 1.5 inches, and you'll see that there's a little piece of wire from the head pin sticking out of your last bead, and you're going to want that because that's what you're going to solder right there on that very tip. There's a little bit of a gap opening between the bead and the head pin, and we're going to stick a piece of solder in there and use our hand torch, and it'll melt up. But before we do that, we're going to take the bead off, and with a Q-tip, this is just simple flux, and what that does is it just prepares the metal and helps the solder stick better, and you can use as much of it as you want. Just coat it, put your bead right back on, and I have a piece of solder cut, and you can stick it right on there. The flux will make it stick really easily, and you want to get it closest to the opening of that bead as possible, because we're going to heat that up. And since we're using a torch, you're not going to want to hold this with your fingers. You're going to want to use a pliers, or I like to use just a simple plier and hold it near the bottom, making sure that they're all lined up in their proper place. And using a standard hand torch, you can just turn it on, setting, and just heat it up really slowly from the tip, and you can see that it'll start to melt. And once it makes its little movement, it's pretty much soldered. And you'll want that to either cool at room temperature, or you can just dunk it in some cold water, and it'll be soldered. I'm going to test it, and yeah, it's secure. So now you have that little tiny piece sticking off, and you can clip it off with your cutters, and that is one of the bars that we're going to make your box bracelet.